Jai Hind everyone. So this is the day second of the series of improving communication skill, especially English, or gaining fluency in English, or able to communicate to any of the people throughout the world. And I think English has become a global language as most of the countries of the world are using it as a common language to communicate all over the world. That's why I'm trying to improve my English. And in this video I'm going to tell you that what is the difference between nationalism or nationalism. I don't know what is it correct pronunciation, whether nationalism or whether nationalism, but jo bhi ho, I think you are understanding or getting my points. So government is uh, totally different things, and it's ephemeral, it's temporary, and it's transient. But the country is the most important things, and the country, that is our country India, is something that should be inside one's heart. So I have seen that many of the peoples, some of our brothers, some of our neighbor, and many other peoples thinks that if you are criticizing the government for their bad policies, then they are giving you the certificate that you are anti-nationalist, you are gaddar, and you are atangwadi, and so many things. So एक्चुअली नेशनलिज्म और जो नेशनलिटी या फिर देश के प्रति जो लव होती है, जो अफेक्शन होती है, द लव अफेक्शंस टुवर्ड द कंट्री इज़ very important, and we all love our country. And I think no anybody in our country, means whether they belong to any of the religion, any of the community, any of the caste, but definitely they love their country. There is no any doubt in their love. Okay, because we can see that many of the peoples, whether Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, and other peoples, other persons in the world, want to die for the country, and want to become army officers, like me as well. So uh, I don't know, many of the peoples are seeing me, and I don't know what I will say or not. Salam is my one of friends. Actually, many of the peoples are afraid of camera. Okay, but if I have taken the oath that I will definitely improve my communication skill, that definitely I will do, and I will not afraid of anything, any of the peoples. So yeah, I was saying about the nation. So nation or country should be the first priority. Government is transient, as I have already told you. So if the government is not doing good things for our country, so we must criticize our government as well. As we have seen that various, and I think various kinds of paper are now being leaked by the government officials, not directly but indirectly, or in a wrong way. And the level of corruption in our country has raised, means बहुत ज़्यादा corruption हो चुका है आज हमारे देश में. Either if you want to go to circle office, and if you want to make any kinds of small documents which cost according to the government should be only 40 rupees, only 30 rupees, but the people are taking 500, 1000, 1500, and बहुत ज़्यादा ज़्यादा. ठीक है, तो मैं ये बोल रहा था कि वी मस्ट क्रिटिसाइज आवर गवर्नमेंट इन केस ऑफ करप्शन, इन केस ऑफ पेपर लीक, इन केस ऑफ वायलेंस in the name of Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, or other religion. So we are the peoples of our country, and we must need to improve our country. Okay, because country is our country, there is no any doubt. Okay, so yeah, as we know very well that what is the conditions of our country nowadays, how uh, peoples, and what about the civic science, what about the education system, and so on. I think, and also about the press freedom. We have seen that the media of our country to whom government pay crores and crores of money are only doing chatukarta to the government. What chatukarta, I don't know what is it English meaning, but only they are praising the government, only they are spreading the news that mm, doesn't make any sense for the common peoples, that doesn't uh, means that doesn't have, that does not have any intrinsic values. Okay, so it's very wrong things. We need to criticize those medias as well, and we need to ask question to them. Okay, as our press freedom ranking is 156, I think, yeah, 156, which is very 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 poor in their क्या बोलते हो, their result, या फिर according to जो भी है whatever. So as you are seeing that I'm hesitating a lot, but definitely a day will come when I will become fluent. So I think that's today I should end the topic. And you are saying that this is my ground, this is playground where a boy is running, and it's the time for exercise, so I'm going to do exercise as well. And this is my school, Jamia Senior Secondary School, which is in New Delhi. So that's enough, so bye.